Hello everyone, let's start it with our subject science for class 6th. This is our chapter number 3, fiber to fabric, and this is our part 3. Now the question arises, how is cotton made into cloths? So these occurs in various processes. So let's start it to discuss about such processes. Now first of all we can see what are the such processes. Firstly, the cotton crop is changes into cotton yarn. Then this cotton yarn are dye, and then after dyeing of the yarn, cotton cloth or sari is made. So firstly we see how yarn are made out of the fiber. So think of one thing. Have you ever seen any of your parents or grandparents making the wig out of the cotton balls? So what they do? So they just make these wigs using the cotton. And how they are making this? They are just taking fibers from the cotton balls. So the cotton that is harvested from the field is in the form of fibers. We see them in the form of fibers. So our parents or grandparents, by making the wigs, they just taking such fibers. Now they twist various fibers together, and by twisting such, a cotton yarn is formed. So the process of making yarn from fibers is actually called as spinning. So the word spinning is what? It is the process of making yarn from the fibers. So in this way yarns are produced. And let's think about, if we are using our hands to make the yarn. So for one yarn, how much time we take? And if we want to make a large fabric, then how much time is taken to make a small piece of fabric? So to solve this problem of taking long time, some efficient tools and machines are made, and this can spin a yarn quicker than we do through our hands. So we just use takli and spindle and a chakra or a spinning wheel. Takli is also known as a spindle and chakra is also known as spinning wheel. These are used to make yarn out of the fiber. Same process of twisting the fibers occurs in these machines to make the yarn. So we can just see, here is the cotton fibers, and they are just taking it together and making the cotton yarn with the help of spinning wheels. The spinning wheel also played a very important role in our independence movement. Gandhiji encouraged Indians to stop relying on clothes made by the British and spin their own clothes. So in this way we discuss in this video कॉटन को किसी भी क्लॉथ में बदलने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें उसको yarn में चेंज करना पड़ता है, फिर उसकी कलरिंग होती है और फिर उससे हम फैब्रिक बनाते हैं। इसी में हम देखते हैं कि अगर हम दिवाली पे दिए लगाते हैं तो जो बत्ती होती है वो हमारे पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं वो कॉटन फाइबर्स की मदद से ही बनाते हैं। तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो उन्हें अलग अलग फाइबर्स को एक साथ ट्विस्ट करते हैं और इन्हीं से यार्न बनता है। और ये जो प्रोसेस है फाइबर से यार्न बनाने की, इसी को हम स्पिनिंग कहते हैं। वहीं हम देखें कि अगर हम हाथों से जो ट्विस्ट करके अगर यार्न बनाएंगे तो हमें कितना ज़्यादा वक्त लगेगा, और अगर हमें एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा बनाना हो फैब्रिक का, तो इस प्रकार से यान करके फिर फैब्रिक बनाएंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा समय जाएगा। तो समय की बचत के लिए और सही से बनाने के लिए कुछ टूल्स एंड मशीन्स खोजी गई, जिसमें स्पिंडल है जिसको टकली भी कहते हैं और स्पिनिंग व्हील है जिसको चक्रा कहते हैं। इनकी मदद से हम इजीली फाइबर्स को यान में बदल सकते हैं। थैंक यू।